To zoom in or zoom out, how to fit in CorelDRAW. This is how it is done. You come to View menu. Under the menu bar, can you see it? Here it is. Zoom in, Ctrl plus plus, Ctrl plus. So zoom out. So let's start with zoom in. Can you see it? So how it works is that, let me turn it to page. Yeah. So if you, where your mouse is, your cursor is, if you should press Ctrl plus, that's where we zoomed in. So why for zoom out, the same thing applies, Ctrl minus. So if you press, let me Ctrl plus it, so Ctrl plus. So if you press Ctrl minus, where your mouse is, that's how you zoom in. So for example, if you move your mouse here and you press Ctrl plus, can you see that that's the place? If you move the cursor here and you press Ctrl plus, that is the place that will zoom in or zoom out. So Ctrl plus, can you see it? The more you press it, the more it increases. So Ctrl minus, Ctrl minus. This is where it's reflecting. So if you move here, so the same thing applies. So this is how it is. So why for to zoom to page, to zoom to fit, so that you come here, press Ctrl F4, or you press F4, or you come to view menu and press zoom to fit, which is the shortcut is F4. Click on it. You also come here to page. So if you come here and press it to fit, so this is how it works. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos and meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.